Hello everybody, this is Sudan Kumar, Assistant Professor, Civil Engineering Department, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Nagarkoil. Today we are going to discuss about specification. Then first, what is specification? Specification means specific description of particular work. Okay, for example, if you consider the residential building, so we have to describe the works of residential building. For example, first one is earthwork excavation. It is a description, okay, and foundation concrete. Third one is footing construction. Fourth one is plinth wall construction, and damp proofing construction. These are all the description. Okay, this is called a specific description of particular work. Then second one is types of specifications. We are having two types of specification. First one is general specification and second one is detailed specification. First we have to discuss about general specification. Then what is mean by general specification? For example, if you consider the residential building, I'm telling the general specification of residential building. Okay. And see, this is a residential building. This is the section of residential building. What are all the works we have to do? First one is earthwork excavation. Second one is foundation concrete. Third one is footing construction. Fifth one is plinth wall construction. Sixth one is dam proofing construction. And next one is brickwork in superstructure and lintel cum sunshade and parapet wall construction, roof RCC construction and weathering course construction, sand filling, flooring construction, plastering, whitewashing, color washing. So these are all called as general description of the work. Okay. For example, foundation concrete at 1:5:10. This is the general description of foundation concrete. And second one is footing construction using RR masonry, cement mortar 1:5. So this is the short description. The general description means a short description. Okay, so short description of particular work, that is called as general specification. For example, brickwork in superstructure. Okay, brickwork in superstructure CM 1:5 using first class brick. This is the general specification of brickwork in superstructure. Okay, and next one is roof RCC 1:1.5:3. Okay, using first quality steel. This is called as a short description of reinforced cement concrete work. Okay, then this is called as, this is the examples for general specification. Okay, and next one is detailed specification. Okay, what is mean by detailed specification? Okay, so detailed description of particular work is called as detailed specification. Okay, for example, a detailed specification for brickwork in superstructure using cement mortar 1:5. This is the detailed description. For example, detailed description of brick masonry means first we have to write the size of the brick, shape of the brick and class of the brick. What is the class? First class or second class? Okay, and what is the ratio of mortar? 1:5 is the ratio of mortar. What is the width of the masonry and thickness of the masonry and the length of the masonry? Okay, and number of days curing. Okay, and these are all mentioned in detailed specification. And what kind of labors using for brick masonry? Okay, this is called as detailed description of the work. Okay,